Welcome to the AI Guardian, the go-to place for all things related to AI and cybersecurity. Here, we bring you the latest news and updates about risks linked to AI, cybersecurity, and everything in between. Today, we are going to talk about AI and cybersecurity and the impact they are having on each other. Stick around till the end of this video to find out how to take advantage of this revolution. Despite being separate fields, AI and cybersecurity are becoming increasingly intertwined with each other. There are both new opportunities and challenges being introduced. Let us take a look at the new opportunities that are emerging. Opportunity 1: Enhanced threat detection and response. Cybersecurity products are getting boosted by AI. AI is now an integral part of cloud security technologies, SOAR solutions, and threat intelligence tooling. Any cybersecurity product serious about threat intelligence needs to have an AI engine driving analysis and learning the network on which it is present. Opportunity 2: Intelligent automation. AI can truly change the game in cybersecurity with advanced levels of automation. You can offload cybersecurity tasks to AI agents that can do incident response, security scanning, and even report writing. Recent developments like Microsoft's Security Copilot are a true game changer. These tools allow cybersecurity analysts to perform complex analysis on security data via ChatGPT-like interface. Opportunity 3: New AI-specific cybersecurity roles. Do not be worried about AI replacing your cybersecurity job. AI will never replace certain human skills like strategic thinking, leadership, or empathy. The unique nature of AI will actually create new cybersecurity roles. Let us take a look at a few of them. AI governance and policy experts who will make sure AI regulations are being followed. AI application security experts who will identify attacks like prompt injections and inference attacks. AI privacy experts who will make sure data being used in machine learning is following privacy guidelines. Natural language processing security analysts. AI data security auditors. That ends the opportunities part. Now let us talk about the challenges. As with any powerful technology, AI can be misused for nefarious purposes. Cybercriminals are increasingly leveraging AI to create more sophisticated and convincing attacks. AI is going to bring some serious challenges to cybersecurity. Let's take a look. Challenge 1: Malicious use of AI. Cybercriminals are going to misuse AI for their own scams. Deepfakes will be used to create advanced phishing attacks. New types of malware are going to come out that can bypass even the most advanced security tool. New types of application flaws will emerge within AI applications. To counter such malicious applications of AI, cybersecurity experts must continuously innovate and stay ahead of cybercriminals. This requires a deep understanding of AI's capabilities and vulnerabilities, as well as the implementation of new types of cybersecurity controls. Challenge 2: Ethical and privacy concerns. AI is still very much the wild west and an unregulated space, which brings forward a lot of ethical and privacy concerns. AI needs data and lots of it. How much visibility do cybersecurity teams have on what is going into the machine learning training datasets? How capable is the cybersecurity team of detecting biases within a machine learning algorithm? Regulations are being drafted, but they will take time. Challenge 3: Over-reliance on AI in cybersecurity. The last challenge comes from the very nature of AI. Companies will jump onto the bandwagon without understanding the technology or the long-term repercussions. CISOs might be eager to offload as much work as possible onto an AI-powered product understanding it. AI is not infallible by any means and can make mistakes or be tricked. CISOs should use a combination of properly trained cybersecurity teams and AI. I hope this gave you a good idea of what is now possible with AI and cybersecurity. The integration of AI and cybersecurity presents a multitude of opportunities for enhanced threat detection, intelligent automation, and the emergence of new AI-specific cybersecurity roles. However, it also entails significant challenges, such as the malicious use of AI, ethical considerations, and avoiding over-reliance on this technology. By embracing AI while upholding ethical standards and maintaining human expertise, the cybersecurity community can harness the full potential of AI to create a safer digital future. This is an exciting time to be working in cybersecurity for sure. While you're here, don't forget to show us some love, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. That way, you won't miss out on more videos about AI scams and cybersecurity. See you in the next video. Stay safe and informed.